All right, guys, we're back. This is going to be a quick fix. I'm not going to replace all the parts on this, but I want to get it running real quick and then get it out on the track. If you've been watching my videos, you saw I got my TT02B running, and that was after breaking this guy. And I got the parts in recently, and it's time to get it back out there because this one ran so good at the time. Before I went brushless, that I liked it better than my TT02B. Now, being the B, the newer one, it should have been, should have moved forward in terms of quality. But anyways, so I want to get this back out there in the brush state and get it on the track and see. Now that I have both of them running good, we could see which one I really do like better and do a good compare. So let's get into it. We got to put the Orbit motor in. Close it all up, and what broke last time was the C-cup, so we're going to replace that out. It'll be real quick. I got parts kit number SP1076, and let's open that up so you can see what we got in there. So I'm going to need one of these. I'm going to need the right cup. Right. So it'll be, yeah, so it'd be this one, and looks like it came off of this guy here. I think these are unidirectional, these guys, but I'll need these two, and that's it. And that should be everything else, just a swap out. So let me get set up, and it should be a quick one. All right, so we're back, and I got to button up this back end too. I think the only thing wrong with the back was the dog bone had popped out, so I should be able to just pop a screw in there with any luck. I think it's just a standard, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know what screw I lost out of the back, so we'll try this guy, see what happens. I think it's just a standard, normally the black style, but this one I'll just keep you on. I won't do a quick cut kind of thing. Yeah, it fits in there right. So this might be a little long, but it'll still do. That'll do, pig. That'll do. So only thing left is throwing the motor in. Motor in ESC. Now, for, like I said before, the motor we're going to use is Orbit. It's always done me real good on the track. So with any luck, it's going to be a quick one. holes lined up right. I'll come back after I get everything set up and make sure everything's gonna fit and show you. Button it up is just a couple quick screws, so be right back. All right, we're back, and I got the mesh all figured out, and had all kinds of problems figuring out which holes to use. I use top and the bottom with the 25 tooth pinion. Seems to be good. So ready to just put our last piece on, which is just a couple quick bolts, and then we're done. So come back and we'll get some tires on it. We'll be out at the track. So looking good though, looking good. Oh yeah. All right, guys, time to take it out on the track. You see that the leaves are falling. My catalpa, the big leaves are starting to fall now. So it's going to be fun. I'm not going to get the blower out. It's cold out, and I'm just doing a quick rip just to see how it controls. And then if there's any changes I need to make, I'll do that. Clean the track off at that time. So you see, we got what we did. This has got winter's evening bearings all the way around. We're running with the Urgenex 70C. These fit perfect in TTO2, TTO2B, DF, TTO1. They're just a good for it. So we got an Orbital2. That's 23 turn. Team Orion. I'm running with the K Pro. I don't even know what amperage it is. It's one that came on a buy special. And we're using a standard Dumbo. And the chickens are all excited. The boy's starting to get aggressive a little bit, so I gotta be careful with him. Ooh, buddy. So far so good. He actually likes it better faster. Yeah, I knew these big leaves are going to be too much. I knew it. So, there we go. I was wondering if that was going to stay. I wasn't going to hit the big jump, but sometimes you just do what you got to do. I'm just wedging it for now. It's got a lip there. As long as I don't get too crazy, it'll be all right. Feels pretty good. Does spin out easy. Goes in reverse pretty easy. So with any luck, this feels all right. I gotta get the track blown off. But it's a quick rip. So far so good. This also has a K Pro steering servo as well. It came with it when I got it. These are the tires that came with it and all that. You've probably seen these on my Df03 if you're familiar with my content. Huh. I really should clean off the track first. Oh, dog bone popped out. So That's probably part of the problem. Well, we can fix that. I got a whole nother set of swing arms, so we're slip sliding away anyways. We'll stick to over here. But she's running pretty good. Hopefully I can get a couple quick clips out of it. With any luck. And maybe I'll go in, fix it, and come out for another run. But it's pretty smooth. Oh, there goes steering again. Well, that was a good quick shakedown. Gotta fix that. Something smells like it's burning. Looks like maybe this isn't on there tight. Yeah, look, those wires are arcing. Well, that's why you do a shakedown. So, I'll go upstairs, recheck those connectors. I thought I had those on good. And then I'll put a new, I might have to just put a new cup on there. No monkeying around with it. Seeing I got one, so hopefully you like and subscribe. And yeah, I know it was a very eventful run, but that's a shakedown. Got to figure out the problems. And next time you see her, all those things will be fixed and we'll have it on the track for a proper run. So like and subscribe, guys, and hopefully you enjoy. We got again, this K-Pro. You see there, those wires are a little warm, so I got to get that. Looks like they weren't in there real well. That, and I got to put the other C cup on. Not a bad idea anyways. Just get it done. Anyways, like and subscribe, guys. And I'll see you when I see you. Peace.